In this video, we will show you how to make your preferred report as your default report. That way, whenever you conduct your search, you will always have your preferred report displayed. On Paragon, go to Preferences, then System. After, click on Result Options. Here, you can scroll down to Listing Detail Results and choose which report you would like to save as your default. In this example, I'm going to choose Agent 2 Page New. This new report accommodates all the information about the listing and has a bigger font. However, you can choose whatever report you would like that is listed. Click on the Save button on the top. To double check if your report is saved, conduct a search to see for yourself. As an example, I'm going to click on Search, Residential. I'm going to add some criteria here, and once I am done, I will click on Search. You will now see my new default report as the result. And now you know how to make your preferred report as your default. If you have any questions, please contact the main tech support line at 925-730-7100. Thank you.